It is Q&A time. So every Monday, post your questions. Tuesday, the next day, I will be trying to get back to all of them in a video format. All right, here we go. All right, first up, we have Simon F. His question is, any surprising legal restrictions that we wouldn't expect? What do you mean? So if you're talking about living in a school bus or van life, you're gonna wanna dive into is your insurance implications. So we always tell our clients, dive into your respective province or state, depending where you are. Sorry, Simon, I didn't see where you were from. So that would be your first one. Get insurance lined up, make sure you get a premium on your unit because it's probably only gonna be covered for the value of the vehicle. So make sure you add on whatever additions you guys did in the event of an accident. You don't want to be high and dry. What else? It's a good one. Don't litter. Other than that, no restrictions. Okay, question number 2 coming from William. Where can we find Skoolies in Canada? Well, at Paved To Pines, that's a good place. Then there's a number of places. I will link those below. Couple of the obvious ones, you're gonna be looking on Kijiji, Craigslist. You could even call some local districts, see if they have any buses up for sale. Other than that, Auto Trader maybe. Anyway, links below. Oh, this is a good one from Josh H. What's the best power system? And then, what's the best power system on a budget? Okay, so this is a tricky one. The best power system is definitely dependent on what you want to accomplish and your lifestyle. If you are looking for something that's going to be completely off-grid, run just about all the appliances you're looking to run that you would in a house, there isn't going to be a budget answer there. We would recommend you go with Victron. That's what we run in our systems. Good warranty and good diagnosing, so you can track what's going on with your solar inputs and any other charging inputs. What else can I tell you? On a budget, you could look at GoPower. They're a Canadian company. Obviously, make sure it's safe. Get it checked over by an electrician. All right, thank you, Josh. Okay, question number 4. This one is from Dusty Not Dirty on Instagram. Thank you, Dusty. How'd you get started into converting vans into livable habitats? All right, that's a fun one. Okay, all started probably about 6 to 7 years ago now. My business partner Mitchell and I were living out in Castlegar, BC, playing a little hockey and going to school out there. And I got an offer to trade my motorcycle for a school bus. I took that person up on the offer, and over the course of about a year, converted that bus into a livable school bus. All the amenities you'd find in a typical RV. Ended up living in that bus for about a year, just outside of Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. The rest is history. Big Blue Judy was the name of the bus. After we finished converting it, obviously got a lot of buzz around Saskatchewan. So we got a lot of questions on how did I build this school bus? How would I build one for them? I was going to school at the time. I decided to drop out because building school buses seemed a lot more fun. We found a shop in Saskatoon, started converting buses out of it, hired a couple trades guys that knew what the heck they were doing. We got a lineup of about 15 months. So we've completed about 17 builds with 2 in the shop right now. But that's how we got started. Went from a motorcycle to a school bus for personal use. Where we really took off was when we hired a team of skilled carpenters and electricians that honestly the best at what they do. Send us your questions for next week and I'll be sure to get to them.